Today's video is going to be on this 1960s, I think, Whiz-Mow Rider. Right now I'm going to check see if that engine has spark and we'll go from there. Nothing. Alright, well, no spark, so I guess it's time to start taking the shroud off and see what we get. Alright, so I got all the way down to the points here. On these Briggs, it's right here on the points is also the top of your condenser. So I'm hoping this condenser's good because I don't have any extras right now and I don't feel like going and finding one. So I'm hoping just filing these points will get me spark. Alright, I got her put back together. We have spark. I'm going to put some gasoline in it and we'll see if she runs. I'm going to check the oil quick here while I let the bowl fill up. There's a little bit of oil in there. Get her to choke here. I'm going to take the oil bath off because I think it's full of oil and it spilled oil in the carburetor when I leaned it over earlier. So I'm going to sit the oil bath off to the side for now. See if we get anything. Well, we got a couple pops out of it. And a lot of smoke, but it was leaning on its side for a while and I got it, so it's quite lubricated inside. Alright, so it runs alright. It doesn't idle the greatest right now. It does idle, but it's kind of rough. I'm going to take it up to my house now that it's running, go mow with it for a little bit, see if a little bit of heat and a little bit of running clears it up some. If not, I'll just tune it a little bit because I don't think I need to take the carburetor apart with the way it's running. I think it might just be a bit of a tune issue. And then if it's running alright then, I'll take a little bit to mow with it and then we're going to try cleaning it and see how it turns out after I clean it for a little while. Alright, so it was mowing my yard pretty good. There was a couple spits and sputters throughout it, but it cleaned it up after a while, so I'm not too upset. Now that it's running pretty good, I'm going to work on cleaning this thing up. I think the first thing I'm going to tackle is this back rider. I'm going to try and get rid of all that rust on the white and just overall clean it up. So I got some steel wool and a couple old shirts and some penetrating oil, and we'll give this thing a quick scrub over and see how she goes. Okay, so this is as far as I got with it. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. There's stuff I could still do on it, like the engine isn't fully clean, but I don't think I'm going to keep on to this very long because I really don't have the space to store it at the moment, nor do I really need another riding mower like this. They're a real neat mower, but I think I have some friends that would prefer to have it over me. That's basically all it's going to be for this video. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't, I wouldn't think you would have made it this far. If you want to see more videos like this, I do a bunch of hit and miss engine and old motor related video content, and just go subscribe if you want to see more stuff like that. That's what I do. I try to upload every other week or so. But yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time, I suppose.